What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Bonk, which has finally hit a green candlestick, guys, and it is up just about 15% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at this value here. So we're going to be looking at, is this the recovery point for Bonk, or is it just temporary and is it going to crash back down? And not just Bonk, but the crypto market overall is on the green side today, with Bitcoin heading over $47,000, which is absolutely insane. And of course, Bonk has followed a similar pattern as well. So essentially, we're going to be going through what is next for Bonk over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024. Can it potentially hit a new all-time high, or is it going to keep crashing? So we are going to focus on the short-term and long-term prediction, as well as looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. What is the best option right now? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple. And we can see Bonk is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected, but it is very close, so it is pretty much on target. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, guys, meaning it is not realistic because it's looking way too steep. The reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours, which is again not realistic at all. So what my expectations are by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, is for Bonk to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially going through another 5% increase from where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting. So it's not going to be a major pump, but do expect red candles in between as well, where it's likely to hit a little bit of a dip and peaks as well, so ups and downs. But the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well. So once again, this is not realistic. Exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, what is expected from Bonk? From my predictions and analysis that I have done, I am expecting an overall drop in value. Now, let me explain why. So over the next couple of hours and days, so over the weekend, I'm expecting it to hit green candles, pumping up in value. And then after that, it is likely to go for a price correction by mid to end of next week and dropping back down in value to where it was trading around 24 hours ago is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by the end of next week. So from this point, yes, it's going to pump up in value and then slowly drop back down. So essentially an overall drop in value is what I'm predicting from Bonk over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, but they are not looking as steep as the previous chart, meaning it's much more realistic. However, guys, As mentioned previously, back in December and January as well, when the crypto was pumping like crazy, I did tell you guys the crypto is more or less likely to drop down in value over the long term and over the coming months as well. So essentially by March, April, I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment, hitting more red candlesticks over the coming weeks is what I'm expecting, potentially dropping down to around this value here, as you guys can see in gray. Again, there's too many zeros in there, but you get the gist, guys. An overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Bonk over the next couple of weeks. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale here, we can see that it is currently trading in the green zone and has been trading in the green zone for the last couple of weeks since about early January. It's been in and out the dark green zone, but overall it has maintained its value and it is likely to carry on trading into the green zone over the next couple of weeks before it slowly starts to drop back down into the red zone in late March, early April. It should essentially have dropped back down into the red zone depending on how the crypto market performs. And of course, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming along in April. This should have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, at the moment, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk. But if you guys do want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 84% in the last 24 hours, making it $127 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is, yes, it has started to pump up in value earlier this morning and it's still ongoing. So more and more people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers. So this is in fact helping the value of Bonk pump up even higher. So as I mentioned earlier on in the video, it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop down in value towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, making it an overall drop in value. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. This crypto was trending back in December and January where it was pumping like crazy, guys. It's still up over 1,000% over the year, but back in December, around mid-December, it was up about at least 12 to 13,000%, which was absolutely crazy. But since then has taken a little bit of a dip, or a major dip, shall I say. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Bonk to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.